friends, today we will discuss question 24 of Psalm series. In our last section we discussed question 23 of Psalm series, that is this question. If you have not watched this question, then go in the description, you will find the link and watch this video, because this question is very important. So you can see this question. And also make sure that before watching this video you have watched my video on how to find area, because by that concept only I am solving all this question. So make sure that you have watched my video on how to find area, because that is going to be very useful for solving other problems. So make sure that you have watched that video. So today we will solve question 24 of Psalm series, which is based on concept of area. So we will find the area. So the question is, we have to find the area of region between the x-axis, between y is equal to x minus 1 whole cube, from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. So we have to solve this question. So let's first draw the diagram. In this type of question, first what is first step? We have to draw the diagram. So we know that y is equal to x cube is the curve is like this, but we are given x minus 1. So when we put x is equal to 1, we get this 0. So we have to draw this curve from point x is equal to 1. This is 1, this is 2, this x-axis, y-axis. So this curve will be shifted at x is equal to 1. X is equal to 0, we can draw it's passing from 0. But here it's passing from x is equal to 1. Now we have to find the area which is between the x-axis from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. So this is x is equal to 0 and this line is x is equal to 2 and between the x-axis. So this is our curve. So let's draw with another color. So this is the area which we have to find. Also it's given x is equal to 0. This is also the area which is bounded between x is equal to 0 and between x is equal to 2 and x-axis. So don't make mistake in knowing the area. We have to find both this area. So let's solve the question. We already know the intersecting point at this one. So in this curve we have to divide this into two parts, because the curve is changing when it's intersecting at x is equal to 1. The curve is changing. So let's divide into two parts. So first it will be from x is equal to 0 to 1. First we will find, and then we will add x belongs to 1 to 2. So both this way we will find the area. So we know the constant x. So area is equal to double integration from, first we will take 0 to 1 into dy dx, and second we will take 1 to 2, 1 into dy dx. When it's dy dx, we draw the vertical line, and when we draw the vertical line, we can see it's entering from the curve and is leaving from x is equal to from 0, from y is equal to 0. It's entering from, this is entering from y is equal to x minus 1 whole cube, but it's in negative axis, so y will be negative. So it's entering from y is equal to minus of x minus 1 whole cube and leaving from y is equal to, this line is called y is equal to 0. It's leaving from y is equal to 0. In the similar way, here it's entering from y is equal to 0 and leaving from y is equal to x minus 1 whole cube. It's first quadrant. Here it's x-axis, y-axis is positive, so this will be positive. So it will be x minus 1 whole cube, and here it's 0. So we have found the limit. Now we have to just integrate this term. So area is equal to integration of 1 with respect to dy is y. So y, its limit are from minus x minus 1 whole cube to 0 into dx, plus integration from 1 to 2, its integration is y from 0 to x minus 1 whole cube into dx. That is equal to, now put the limit, integration from 0 to 1. So 0 minus this term, so minus minus will get plus, so it will be x minus 1 whole cube into dx, plus integration from 1 to 2, upper limit x minus 1 whole cube minus 0 into dx. So this will be like this. Now integrate this term with respect to dx. We have to integrate this term with respect to dx. So integration, so it will be, first solve this equation, we get a minus b whole cube will be x cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square into b plus b square. So that is equal to, we are solving x minus 1 whole cube. We have just used the formula. So x cube plus 3x minus 3x square minus 1. So this is our equation. Now we have to integrate this term with respect to dx. So area is equal to x raised to 4 by 4 plus 3x square by 2 minus 3x cube by 3 minus x. We limit are from 0 to 1, and similarly this also will be the same. So x raised to 4 plus x raised to 4 by 4 plus 3 by 2 x square minus 3x cube by 3 minus x, and limit are from 1 to 2. Now we have to solve this equation. So now here it was y is equal to x minus 1 whole cube. We should not take its negative, it's positive only. Why? Because it's x minus 1 whole cube. So in cube it can be negative and positive also. If it would be x square, then we would have taken negative. So it will be, here it will be plus, so upper limit minus lower limit, it will be negative. So this will be negative. Now put the limit. So area is equal to minus of 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 and 0 will be 0 only, plus here it will be 2 raised to 4 by 4 plus 3 by 2 into 2 square minus 1 into 2 cube minus 2, and this term minus, put 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 1. So we can see that these two terms are same, so we can do area is equal to minus 2, and now solving inside we get 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 minus 2 plus 2 raised to 4 16 by 4 it will be 4 plus here 2 will get cancelled, so 6 minus 8 minus 2, so it will be 10 minus 10, this will be 0. 6 plus 4 10 minus 8 minus 2 0. So now we have to solve this term. So let's take the LCM. So it will be 2, it will be 4, 1 upon 4. So 1 plus 6 minus 8 upon 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. We have divided this into 6 plus 1, it will be 7. 7 minus 8 minus 1. So that is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, then let me know the doubt in the comment section given below. Also press the notification bell for latest video. Thank you.